Hi, I'm Mark from PowerIn, the best AI tool that boosts your engagement on LinkedIn and Twitter with AI automated comments. Now in this video, I'll show you how to download the Chrome extension package for LinkedIn and how to easily install it. Ready to dive in? Let's go. First, you need to go to the Chrome extension tab on PowerIn. You'll land on a page where you can download the extension. Now, do note that this extension won't be added automatically like one from the Chrome Web Store. You'll need to install it manually. Step 1. Click on Get It Now. The PowerIn extension will be downloaded to your computer. Step 2. Locate the downloaded zip file and unzip it. Step 3. Open a new browser tab and go to chrome://extensions. Step 4. Enable developer mode in the top right corner. Step 5. Click on Load Unpacked. Then select the unzipped PowerIn folder. That's it. The PowerIn Chrome extension is now installed in your browser. A LinkedIn page will automatically open so that you can move on to the next step and connect your LinkedIn account. Now, if you run into any issues, just reach out to us via the support chat. We're here to help. Alright, you are now ready to become more visible and create the first interaction through comments on LinkedIn with active and relevant people in your industry. And don't forget, you have a 90% higher chance of getting a positive response from someone that you've already interacted with. Remember to watch our videos on how to use the keyword to comment feature for LinkedIn to comment as soon as a post contains a keyword, and how to use PowerIn to automate comments on Twitter. I wish you a good day. See ya.